Hello friends, this is Phanindra from SQL School. Snowflake, a cloud-based data warehousing environment, especially for big data, warehousing, and analytics platform, a big data store. In our Snowflake detailed training sessions, step by step, we'll start from the basics of data warehouse in cloud, ETL, ELT scenarios, best practices, summary data loads, incremental data loads. Snowflake with Azure, Python, Power BI integrations, detailed architecture, security strategies, HADR activities with stages. There are 4 different kinds of stages that we are going to learn in our classes. Common errors, solutions, SnoSQL, Snowpark, SCD, CDC, optimizations, and so on. All our sessions are completely detailed, step by step, completely into practice activities. And this Snowflake is one of the other trending courses that we provide at our school. The sessions are in such a way we are more caretaking and technology loving. Anyone can enjoy our Snowflake classes from scratch. You may plan to step into big data, data warehousing. You may plan into data engineering or data science. Our Snowflake end-to-end implementation will surely help you a lot to shape up your resumes and at your job desk. Best possible combos. Snowflake plus data engineer, one possible combination, or Snowflake data engineer DBT tool and Power BI combination. The main difference between data engineer and Snowflake. Azure data engineer involves data warehousing plus in-depth ETL components. Snowflake has beautiful Snowpark implementations of data warehouse, a colorful data warehousing implementation. And there are certain limitations with respect to ETL. So prefer to go for Azure data engineering. That includes data factory, data bricks paired with Snowflake data warehouse. I repeat again, data engineering, you pick this item, ETL. Snowflake, you pick data warehouse. Together wins the actual match, a combo. More details about all these terminologies in our live demo session. You may visit our sqlschool.com website and request you to attend for 1 or 2 introduction classes to see how it goes, how cautious we are, how careful we are in ensuring the best possible detailed content and curriculum. See you soon in our live classes. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.